Hello YouTube, I'm Arend Peter, and today I'd like to say Happy Thanksgiving to those of you in the US, and to those of you outside the US, Happy Thursday, I guess. So I'd also like to say that I'm experimenting with some of the YouTube features, and my next video is going to come out as a premiere. So it's going to be premiering on Saturday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is 1 p.m. Eastern Time in the US, and 6 p.m. GMT in Europe. So yeah, you can check it out there as it comes out. And at the same time, I'm going to be also holding a live stream for office hours. So if you have any questions on the tutorial that comes out that day, ask it in the office hours. If you have any questions on any other tutorial, if you're stumped on any one of my tutorials I've made, ask it in the office hours. If you are working on your own project and you've been struggling with a bug, send me your project. I will try to help you in the office hours. If you have questions about anything else, ask me, ask away. I'm here to help you. So to help me go into it prepared for your questions, I've included a Google form link in the description of this video for you to go ahead and give me your question and send me your project link if appropriate, or the YouTube link for the tutorial, so that way I can go in hopefully a little bit prepared. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. If it goes well, maybe I'll do it more often. We'll see. So I hope to see you there. Have a good day.